Have you been invited into Teams as a guest? I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let me show you how to access your guest account inside Microsoft Teams. Let's start in Outlook. You can see I've just received an email that I've been invited into a new team. I'll click to open Microsoft Teams, and here permissions have been requested by the organization. I'll choose to accept these. And now I can decide, do I want to use the web app or do I have Teams already open, in which case I would launch it now. Otherwise, click to open the web app. So on the top right is my profile icon, and when I click I'll be able to see any guest account that I've been invited to. Choose the correct one and then you're in. You'll now be able to collaborate with those people who have invited you in to their tenant. So on the left hand side you can see there's limited access, there's no calendar or calls, but you'll be able to jump in and collaborate inside Teams. You'll most probably find that when you try to access a file for the first time, you'll be prompted to set up MFA. And this is typical because MFA is now enforced across all Microsoft accounts. This means you need to download the Microsoft Authenticator onto your phone and follow the step-by-step instructions. Once the process is complete, it will send a test to your phone to make sure it works. Now you're authenticated and you can work with your files in the guest account.